Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Captiva 5 LT, stock reference number 7393. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the upper radiator grille, left-hand headlight. Left guard has a small fold on the front edge. This vehicle's fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror has a small scratch. Left front door, one large dent. Left rear, factory alloy, 18-inch with a good tyre. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror also has a scratch on the edge, and right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, console lid, automatic gear shifter, CD player, single stack, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof type. Left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.